Hello, this is Sean again with Backflow Supply. I just did a video about the Midwest test kits and I mentioned about the different accessories that you can get, and so I just wanted to take a minute to talk about some of those accessories that were listed on the sheet that came inside the test kit. And you may find that these are convenient or even required in some of your areas. One of those would be the sight tube. This is the Midwest sight tube. I haven't taken it out of the packaging that it came with, but it's two different lengths. And it comes with a quick connect fitting, so you can test this off the side or off the top, and it's a hard clear plastic. So that's the sight tube. I also sell another sight tube that is also a hard clear plastic. It's mounted to a flexible rubber boot so that you can rotate this quick connect fitting and test off the side or off the top or anywhere else. And it also has an additional length of tube that you can connect this and get the extra length that you need. The bleed valve is another accessory that you can use to compensate for a leaking shutoff valve. Midwest makes those as well, and that's what I sell. And then probably the most common requested fitting is the quick connect fittings. Some of you may not even be aware of what these were, but when these first came out many years ago, it was a tough sell. People did not want to buy these, but the nice thing is it has an O-ring sill. And so you've got a test cock that needs to have an adapter. You finger tighten it in and you're ready to go. Do that for all three of them. And they come in sets of 3. And they come with a set of extra O-rings when you buy those from Midwest. Now, there's also some other fittings as well. They make those same fittings for the 1/2 inch and the 3/4 inch quick connects. Same type of a deal, O-ring sill and your hose adapter. And they make that, like I said, for the 1/2 and 3/4. That's what these are. But then they've got these 1/4 inch swivels. So you just thread them into the test cock, tighten it down, and now you can rotate this fitting anywhere that you need it to be. So these work great for tight situations. If you don't want to waste the money on the straight ones and the angled ones, my recommendation is to go with the angled ones, because anywhere that the angled ones will work, the straight ones may not, because of the constraint of spaces. So those are the quick connect fittings. The other accessories that you can buy are things like seat tools, seat removal tools, and there are some that are made for the Wilkins brand and the Combraco or Apollo brand, and then there are some other people that are making those on their own, and I'll talk about those as we go through assemblies. But for now, this is what I just wanted to show you what these fittings were, and thank you for your time. Please comment below and click on the subscribe button. Have a good day. Thank you.